Hey guys, today I'm trying my new camera finally, and I decided to film even when John is in the apartment, and I feel super shy because he's listening to me even when he's not paying attention. I wanted to show you how to make bubble tea and have a drawing session, but John and I decided to go out for a walk because the day is really nice. So I don't know where he's taking us, and I'm gonna film the walking tour. How do you say that?
Walk.
A walk. That's my life. I always ask him how to say things. And after that, I'm gonna come back to the apartment to have a drawing session with you. So let's go out. How does it feel that now it's me who's putting the camera on your face?
I guess it feels a little funny. I'm more interested about your new camera, like looking at it, than anything.
We're back in the apartment, and now we're gonna have our little drawing session. Sorry for the lighting, it's gloomy outside. I don't know if you can see from the window. I'm gonna bring another lamp so it's gonna get better. Before we do that, I want to talk to you about some new items that I just added to my Etsy shop, and I'm gonna show you right now. So I've been doing pastel pet portraits and digital pet portraits, but I just added something new. It's called dog digital paper, and it's basically illustrations that you can download. It's 12 inches by 12 inches. You just buy it and you can get it on your computer, and you can print it if you want to do crafting or you want to use pictures for something else like invitations, or if you want to use them online on your blog or something like that. It doesn't come with a watermark, of course, so if you want to check them out, they're just $2.70 and you get them right away. The other items are these ones. It's my first collection. I called it Pause Collection. Is that how you pronounce it? I don't know. It's a tote bag, face mask, phone case, and this little tumbler. So if you're interested, you can check them out on my Etsy shop too. I think they're really cool for cats and dogs lovers because they are kind of generic. The paws. So if you are a cat owner or a dog owner, I think they work perfectly for you. So today we're gonna design more digital dog paper like these ones. This one is kind of generic. You can use them anytime. But today I want to design something like this, but for the fall and Halloween. I know it might be a little bit late, but I would like to have it in my store for the future. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. So if you stay with me, we are gonna draw some digital paper, and maybe I can show you how you can do it on your iPad. If you want to do something different that it's not dogs, it's exactly the same. Okay guys, I finished the one I was working on, and I work on other ones, but I didn't show you because the video was gonna get super long. But this is the result, and this one was my favorite one. I think it looks really cute, and I even made a picture to sell it on Etsy. It's actually pretty simple. You just have to look for a file that is 12 inches by 12 inches, and you can decorate it as much as you want and save it as a JPEG. I don't know that's the name, and that's it. You can upload it and sell it on Etsy if you want to. There are a lot of people that like to do crafting, and they like to buy this paper because it's really easy. You just download it to your computer and you have it ready to print and to use it. So yep, you can find it on my Etsy shop. I'm gonna leave the link down below so you want to check it out, and you can also see my new products that I showed you at the beginning of this video. And that's it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon.